Deep inside the human body, a quiet biological factory is working every second without pause. Beneath the surface, specialized tissues form a carefully controlled environment for cellular activity. Here, tightly coiled seminiferous tubules create an intricate network of continuous production pathways. Along their inner walls, early germ cells line up, beginning a slow and highly organized transformation. Towering Sertoli cells surround them like guardians, guiding growth and maintaining internal balance. At the outer edges, primitive cells multiply steadily, ensuring the system never runs out of supply. With each cycle of division, new cells move inward, entering more advanced stages of development. Their internal structure gradually reorganizes, preparing them for specialized reproductive roles. Inside the nucleus, genetic material aligns with remarkable precision before the next critical step. Through meiosis, chromosomes separate carefully, forming cells uniquely prepared for reproduction. These newly formed cells now occupy deeper layers, continuing their gradual transformation. Subtle reshaping begins, as each cell develops features designed for future movement. A slender tail slowly emerges, marking an important milestone in their developmental journey. At the same time, the head region condenses, creating a streamlined and efficient structure. Across the tissue, countless cells mature together, revealing the scale of this continuous process. Between the tubules, Leydig cells release hormonal signals that help regulate developmental timing. These signals spread like quiet instructions, influencing how and when growth continues. Fully shaped cells begin gathering near the fluid-filled center of the tubule. Released into this internal current, they drift forward into the next stage of their journey. Gentle fluid motion guides them through a complex network of biological transport pathways. The pathway curves into the epididymis, a specialized structure built for storage and refinement. Within this environment, cells remain suspended, undergoing subtle but important changes. Small movements begin to appear in their tails, signaling increasing functional readiness. Over time, motion becomes more coordinated, reflecting continued physiological maturation. From beginning to completion, this remarkable developmental cycle unfolds over several weeks. Yet even now, new cells are already starting the same process inside the seminiferous tubules. Multiple generations overlap, ensuring continuous reproductive cell production. Stepping back reveals the organized architecture of the entire testicular system. At the full anatomical level, these processes operate silently as part of integrated physiology. Together, they demonstrate the precision, efficiency, and constant activity of the human body. And while you watched this video, the process quietly continued.